What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this quick video for you guys on some seller tips. So we just got a deposit. Well, last night we got a deposit from Mercari for $2,653.42. So like I said, guys, right now is the perfect time to make money reselling. So hopefully you've been listening for the last month or so of me posting on Facebook and me making videos and so on or whatnot. I've been letting you guys know. Right now, perfect time to be making money. So you had ordered even late, you should have your stuff in by now. You should be making thousands of dollars. But hey, I can only tell you guys this information here. I can't force you to do anything. For all my training for this type of stuff with e-commerce, be sure to check out boxmoney.net. And yes, I know, guys, it has been a minute since I made a video. I think it's going on 9-10 days where I haven't made a video. In the last 4 years, I don't think I've ever gone this long without making a video. But like I said, I don't really know what else to talk about. We've covered everything when it comes to CPA marketing. We've covered everything with Amazon FBA when it comes to retail arbitrage. We've covered affiliate marketing. We've covered the basics. We've covered damn near everything I can possibly think of. So I don't know. We need a new topic or a new something. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see in the next videos. But yeah, let's jump right into this here. So first things first, when it comes to selling on Mercari or OfferUp or Let Go or wherever it is you want to sell at, is make sure your background looks good. All right. So for me personally, I was just testing out a bunch of different backgrounds or whatever, and I went from selling a product for $140 to $175 for the same product, no extras, no nothing. Literally the same exact product going from 140 to 175. So that's an extra $35 per unit just because I decided to change the background. That's not bad at all, right? So what I did was, at first I was I was taking pictures on a glass table, and this glass table was completely see-through. You couldn't see, you could see everything straight down to the bottom, right? And then on this one, well, actually, what happened was I was selling it for 160, then I sold it for 175. So this one was the glass table that you can see through. Then this one was my desk that I'm using right now. It's kind of like this. It's kind of like blurry, so you can't see through the bottom. And then this one was a solid, background color or whatnot. So this one was all white. This one was like blurred, and then this one was clear. So I went from selling it from 140 to 160 to 175, literally just changing the background. So that's pretty decent. Now, this one actually takes longer to sell than the 175. And that's crazy. Like, I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. The same as that product, literally the same exact angle, same everything. The only difference is the background. That's it. Literally nothing else changed but the background. Same pictures, literally same everything, just the background is different. And I'm able to charge an additional $35 for the same exact product. And it actually takes longer to sell it for 140 with this background than it is to sell it for 175 with the white background. Again, I don't know why, but that's just the way that the cookie crumbles sometimes, right? So number two on the list here is bundles. So if you can add a bundle to whatever it is that you're selling, obviously, like I said, I wasn't doing a bundle for that particular product, but I do bundles as well. So just find something that you can add to the product. Let's say you are selling, I don't know, an Xbox, right, or a PS4 or whatever, right? Instead of just selling the PS4 itself, try adding a few video games to it, right? If you guys can see the post I made on Facebook, literally like not even a week ago, showed you guys me going out to Walmart and buying brand new wrapped up video games for 3 cents a piece for PS4 and Xbox 360. Xbox One for 3 cents. So you go to a lot of the Walmarts and whatnot, buy them all up, and literally you just put a brand new copy with each game, with each system that you're selling. Now, if you're selling video games or whatever, this is just an example, basically, or whatnot. Just add something, add some value to whatever it is you're selling. Why should people, buy from you rather than somebody else, right? If it's the same exact price, why would they buy from you, right? If you are buying a video game for 3 cents and you're adding it, and the person has a choice between buying an Xbox from you with a video game, plus the controller or whatever, versus going to someone else who has just the controller and the cords and stuff with no video game, which one would they rather buy? The one with the video game or without the video game? Obviously the one with the video game. And it's not like you're spending any money. It's literally 3 fucking cents for the video game. So, yeah. If you guys haven't checked out that post, definitely make sure you go check that out or whatever. But yeah, guys, try to add bundles or whatnot, add some value to your stuff as well. Number 3 on the list here is doing research. So make sure you do research. That's very important because you don't want to go to like liquidation.com, or bulk or whatever it is you get your products from and buy up a whole bunch of products or whatever that you have no idea if it's going to sell or not, right? It might do fantastically selling with Facebook ads, but if you don't know how to run Facebook ads or you just plan on selling on Mercari or OfferUp or Let Go, whatever the case may be, you want to make sure that it's actually selling over there on that platform before you go and buy it. All right. So yeah, just do a little bit of research. Number 4 on the list here is shipping labels. So this is actually one that I messed up on. I had accidentally printed off the same shipping label twice, and I pretty much lost a couple $100 because the customer ended up just keeping both of them. And obviously that's what they were going to do. They were not going to send that shit back. So they kept both of the products, that I sent. So they pretty much essentially got it for free, and they got 2 of them instead of 1 of them. And I reached out to them and everything. It was like, hey, can you send it back? Blah blah blah. They was like, oh yeah, we'll send it back. Blah, all this stuff or whatever. It's like, oh, UPS just came and we just put it on there and everything is good to go. And the crazy thing, this was a person that had like 130 reviews that was all 5 stars. So I assumed, I was like, maybe they actually might send it back. But yeah, it's been like 3 weeks now. Haven't got shit. So yeah, they pretty much scammed me, stole a product. But I mean, at the end of the day, there's literally nothing I can do about it because I'm the one who made the mistake. So we just had to eat that loss. So yeah, make sure your shipping labels is always on track or whatnot. Another thing is to ship fast, guys. Make sure you ship fast. Make sure your shipping labels are good, all right or whatnot, but ship fast. Like, you have no idea how shocked people are when they order from you and 20 minutes later you take it and you got it shipped out. Like, hey, I just wanted to let you know that, I just want to say thank you for your order. Just shipped your stuff off. I just took it to UPS and shipped off right now. People are like, oh my God, thank you so much, right? Or just shipping as soon as you can, right? Just keep in contact with your customer, guys. Like I mean, they're paying you money, right? You want them to keep coming back over and over and over and over and over to buy products from you. And they see that you ship out right away, that you ship out super fast. You keep them updated. Like, people like that shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, soon as you send it out, just send them a message like, hey man, thank you for your order. I'm going to get that. I just got it shipped out, right? Or let's say they order at like 8 o'clock at night. You be like, hey, thank you for your order. I just want to let you know I'm going to get that shipped out first thing in the morning. Right. Another thing you want to make sure you do too, guys, is let's say you got something wrong with the product. Let's say a battery is defective, or let's say you're selling some light bulbs and they don't get up to like super high, brightness or something like that. Make sure you tell them even if they ordered. Like, don't just assume they read the post. Don't assume they've went and basically read your description. Don't assume they looked at all the pictures. Don't assume anything. If you're selling something that's damaged, make sure you tell them, because you don't want to just, like, let's say they order and then you just ship it off, right? And then like a week from now they get it, or 5 days, or however long it takes for them to get it, and they're like, oh my God, what is this? So now they're unhappy, which means you're probably going to get, a negative rating, or you're just going to get a return. Like, what's the point? You just wasted 2 weeks for nothing. Don't do that. Just sell to people who actually want the product, right? And if there's only 2 things they're going to say, like, yeah, I read that, or I saw that, I still want it. You be like, okay, great, I'll get it shipped out in the morning, or great, I'm about to go ship it off right now, right? Or they say, oh no, I didn't see that, I want to cancel. And that's it, right? So you just saved a shit ton of time if the person wants to cancel. And 2, you just confirmed that the person, if they do want it, you just confirmed it. So now you know for a fact that there isn't going to be a return, or, well, there's a less likelihood of you getting negative feedback, return, and all that type of stuff or whatnot. But yeah, that's one of the main things, guys. Again, just I keep stressing it enough, but just keep in contact with your customer or whatnot. Like, just let them know what's up, because I mean, right now you got a lot of stuff going on with this whole coronavirus that's slowing down the delivery time and stuff like that. So just keep them updated. Like, hey, just shipped it off, whatever, right? And when you do stuff like that, you're gonna have customers who come back to you repeatedly. Like, I actually had this lady. She ordered 2 of these products from me, right? So she ordered 2 of them at first. Then, she got them in the mail. Everything was great. It was perfectly fine. Rated me 5 stars for both of them. And then from there, she came back and ordered another 2 of them. Right? And then from there, she had, I think it was a friend or somebody or whatnot. They came and ordered one. And then from there, she hit me up, like, I want to say, probably about like 5 days ago, that when I got some more in, to basically let her know because she needs another 2 of them. So, in a nutshell, if everything goes according to plan and she get these 2 right here, whatnot, I would have gotten over $1,000 in sales just from this one customer. And that just came from literally just shipping out the product right away and keeping in contact. That's all you got to do. And it's not like you got to give them an update every single step. Like, hey, I just got to this traffic stop or this or that. You just let them know, hey, I just shipped off your products. Your products, your tracking number should be good to go later today around 6 p.m. All right. Or let's say it's too late. Let's say or at 4 o'clock, where people would think that UPS is still open. Message them and say, hey, UPS is closed in my area due to the coronavirus, so I'm gonna have to ship that out first thing in the morning, right? And they'll go, okay. 99.9% of the time they're gonna say that's okay. Like, I haven't had any person say, oh well, no, if you can't ship it out today, then I'm gonna cancel, right? And if they did say some shit like that, I would cancel on them anyway. Right? Any person that got some like negative attitude or anything along those lines, I do not sell to people like that. Now, I know I'm bringing that in from the affiliate marketing, business type of world or whatever, but I don't deal with those type of people. Like, if they start being an asshole or a dick, or they're very impatient, like, hey, did you ship it off yet? Did you ship it off? Like, let's say I told them, hey, I'm going to have it shipped off at 12 o'clock, right? And then it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, like, hey, did you ship it off? Hey, did you ship it? Hurry up and ship it. Hurry up and ship it. Dude, did you fucking ship it? If they do any, oh, nope, it's time. We cancel that order immediately. Because at least the shit that I sell is going to sell no matter what. Like, I sell out of products. Like, I can't keep products in. That's my product. That's my problem right now. Right? So, yeah. That's just one of the little things that I do or whatever. But I think that is pretty much it, guys. Yeah, so we went over just about everything. Make sure you test out your backgrounds. Oh, another thing is the profiles, right? So test out your profile. So when I sell on my personal profile versus my business profile, at least for me personally, I know I seem to get a lot more leniency on the personal profile. Like, I actually forgot to ship out a power cable with one of the products that I was selling, and they were perfectly cool with it. I was like, no problem, blah blah blah. Everything's golden. Still rating me 5 stars, right? And on my business account, I did pretty much the same exact thing, and I got rated 3 stars. Now, this could just be because it's completely different people or whatnot, but just in my experience so far, it seems like when you are portraying yourself as a business, you got really high quality pictures, or at least, decent pictures or whatnot. That's a step above the personal stuff, not like holding it in your hand or anything like that. Like, when you are portraying that whole business vibe, you got the business logo as the profile picture instead of a picture of you, stuff like that. Like, people tend to hold you to a much higher standard versus a personal profile, at least in my experience so far or whatnot. But yeah, guys, like, just test stuff out. Test out a business profile. Test out your regular profile. See which one works better for you. See which one, gets you more sales. Test out your background. Just constantly be testing, So this is like my 13th account. Well, this one right here, it's the 13th account or whatnot. I keep building these accounts from zero to thousands of dollars, over and over, basically just to keep showing you guys that it is possible to do it. It's not difficult. It's not hard or anything along those lines. As long as, again, if you just buy stuff that people actually want to buy and not like some random ass nonsense from AliExpress, you're pretty much gonna have an easy time selling stuff. Like, it's not difficult, guys. Just sell things that people want to be sold on. Now, the things that people want to actually be sold on, the things that people actually want to buy do tend to cost more money. Like, let's say you go and grab some random ass knickknack or some random ass toy that nobody heard of. You can probably buy a lot of it, and if you do get sales, you'll probably make a decent amount of profit. But again, that's if. Like, what if that product never sells? And then you're just stuck holding it. A lot of times you can't do returns. So you might end up having to sell the stuff for a loss. But, that's just my whole little 2 cents on the matter here or whatnot. But, yeah, I'm thinking that is pretty much it. I feel like there was one more thing If I remember, I'll just put them in the comment section down below. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you guys got any other videos you guys want to see, or maybe there's some new program or something like that, let me know in the comment section down below. Obviously, I don't do any type of MLMs or anything along those lines. Just not my cup of tea. No offense to anybody who does MLMs. I just don't like recruiting people or trying to convince people to make money. Like, hey, you want to make money? Do what I say. Go get the course or whatever. Like, that's all I'm going to say about it. I'm not going to be in your inbox. I'm not going to be following up with you. I'm not going to do any of that because I'm making money, as you guys can see. If you want to make money, just do what I do. That's simple.